Okay, now let's move on to apply modifier to shape key. This allows you to apply certain modifier like subdivision or armature or mirror modifier, any modifier you want to apply it while preserving its shape keys. This is how it works. I have this character that is having, you can see it has all these shape key. Okay, jaw left, jaw right, okay. And this character too also having a subdivision modifier. So let me show you how it works. So first, select the character you want to apply its subdivision modifier or any modifier you want to apply. That's okay. So after you select it, just click on apply selected modifier, and when you click on it, it will list all the modifier the character is having. You see this character have rig modifier and have subdivision modifier. Any modifier you will add, okay, it will appear here. Let me add mirror modifier, and you see when I go here, the mirror modifier also will be appear here. And also mirror modifier you cannot apply when you have shape key. Okay, so you can also use this add-on to do so. So let me show you how it works. So let me click on apply selected modifier. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to apply subdivision. So just select subdivision and hit OK. So now let's wait for it. Done. After it applied the subdivision modifier, you can see the subdivision modifier has been removed and it's appear here. You can see the modifier you just applied will appear here. So let's go to here, and now you can see we still have our shape key. Okay, I can still make eye blink, the jaw open. I have the jaw open here. Can see it work the same as. So here, if I connect the drivers, you can see it's also doing the same. Okay, can see it follow and it doing the same as this one is the also. You can also control your rig. If the character already have the rig, also going to work. Okay, the rig also still working as it is. So after I did this, you can export your character to another software you want without losing the without being a low poly there. Okay, so this is how the apply selector modifier also works. Okay.